To purchase a property as a foreigner in Mexico, you don't only have the Fideicomiso figure. You can also purchase with incorporating a company. A question that I have a lot is, which is better? Well, it depends on the purpose of the purchase, and if you are making businesses in Mexico, the best way could be a company, because you will have incomes, you can give invoices, you can have a bank account. But a lot of people think that if you incorporate a company, you only pay once the whole fees. And in the case of the Fideicomiso, the bank has an annual fee. But if you don't have the purpose of making business, sometimes it's more complicated that with the company, you will have to be making monthly, declare your taxes, and annually another. So even if you don't have incomes, if you are declaring in zero, you will have to make these reports. And if you don't know Spanish, and if you are not very related to the system of tax office, it will be very complicated to do it by yourself. So you will have to pay monthly to an accountant to make this kind of reports. And in the case of Fideicomiso, you pay an annual fee, which is between $500 or $600, and you have no taxes reports, even if you don't have the benefit of opening a bank account. But if you don't have incomes in Mexico, you can have all your tax reports in your country, and you don't need a bank account in Mexico. And for the company, perhaps you will need specific assistance for knowing what is better depending on the purpose of purchasing a property in Mexico. The types of companies are also related for the purpose of your business. You can have the most common, which is called SA, which is the acronym for Sociedad Anónima. If you come to a notary to ask for a company, that is the only way that the notary will incorporate the company as an SA. But you have other types of company. You have limited liability company, which is the Sociedad de Responsabilidad Limitada, but it depends on the way the partners are getting associated to incorporate the company. In the way that the investors are coming to as shareholders, it's the different ways of company that you can find in Mexico law. If you have other questions of a specific way that you're getting investors or shareholders, you can find my information in the description below.